What's up, guys? This is Mike Dean with First Step Travelers. I'm sitting here in Washington on my way to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Booked myself a flight, but that's not what I'm here to talk to you about. I want to talk to you about packing your bag. I'm on a 2-week trip and just want to show you how I packed my bag for this trip.
Here's what I packed. Underwear, of course. 1 pair of jeans, a few pairs of shorts, and a pair of swimming trunks. A couple shirts. I brought 1 collared shirt in case I went clubbing. A pair of sandals. A good pair of shoes, a few pairs of socks, a couple of hats, which are obviously not needed, a good pair of sunglasses, a hygiene kit, which includes bug spray, and a padlock just in case I was staying in a hostel. I also brought a journal and book for downtime and plane rides, snacks, and melatonin, which I highly recommend to help regulate sleep, especially with the time change. I also brought my laptop and camera gear, and a washable laundry bag. All this was carry-on. Make sure to roll your clothes as tight as possible to create more space in your bag. If you roll them without wrinkling them, then you shouldn't need to iron them afterwards. But in case you wrinkle them, I'm sure you can find an iron wherever you're going. I make sure to wear my jeans and my tennis shoes on the plane because they're more bulky and it saves room in the bag. I also keep my snacks and books in the front so they're easy to reach on the plane. I don't like to roll my socks because they're easier to cram in tight spaces when they're not rolled up. I also brought the correct outlet converter for all my electronics. You can get these when you land, but I already have one. Make sure your electronics can run on dual voltages. It should say somewhere on the label, look for 110 and 220 voltage. Everything else I had was placed wherever it would fit. The extra bag you see is for my camera gear. It actually came in handy quite a bit. I would use it for day trips when I didn't need all my things. Once you're packed and you're ready to go, you're on your way.
Well, that's basically it. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you roll up all your clothes. I'm over here gonna finish up some work in the airport before my flight takes off. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the footage I get of Vietnam. So make sure you like it, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff you know you're supposed to do, and see you